Adjusting doors and drawers. Are your doors misaligned? Over time, vibrations from your moving vehicle may cause your doors and drawers to become misaligned. All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver to make the necessary adjustments. For a door, start by adjusting its depth using this adjustment screw. Then, adjust the height by loosening the screw. Once the hinge side is properly adjusted, you can fine-tune the left-right tilt using the screw. You may also need to adjust a neighboring door or drawer to achieve proper alignment. To adjust a drawer, begin by removing the two plastic covers on each side. This screw must be loosened before making any adjustments. Use these screws to adjust left to right, and these ones for up and down. Once the adjustments are complete, be sure to tighten this screw to secure everything in place. If you need more information, please contact us at lear@vanlifemetal.com.